Hi guys, today we are unboxing the Evajoy inflatable swimming pool. This is the 92-inch by 56-inch by 20-inch deep pool. It's a beautiful hot day out here. The inflatable pool we currently have isn't doing too well, so wanted to get a new pool for the kids to cool off in this summer heat. So let's open this thing up. Alright, so here's the directions. Comes with a repair patch, which is nice. If you do end up getting a hole, you can always use this to cover the hole. This is a 3-layer pool. So the size of 3 sections that you'll inflate, each one separately, with these holes here, which has the 2 different style inflator stems, which are really nice because you can deflate it really fast if you pop this part out. You can also inflate it with this part here, so it inflates quickly, but it doesn't let air out very fast when you stop inflating because it has like a one-way valve built into it. And then looks like there's a cool design the kids will like on the top edge here with an octopus and little sailboats and fish and stuff like that. So I'm going to take this out in the yard, stretch it out, let's fill it up and see what it looks like. Then we'll get some water in it and get the kids out and see how they enjoy it. So this is a really nice sized pool, at least for our family. It's the size with the 3 layers, you can get it plenty deep, and then it's not too big. Like these kind of pools usually only fill up for a couple days at a time. So when you get a really big, like I had another inflatable pool that was really large, so it took a lot of water to fill it up. This isn't going to take quite as much water, so it's not that big of a deal. You're not wasting as much water when you fill it up, then drain it a couple days later, and then fill it up a couple days after that. So, I do see here there's 2 drain holes on it, which is nice because you can always pick the low corner to drain out of. And then this does have the drain spout with the tube connected to it, which helps drain if it's like sitting flat against grass. Sometimes it'll drain really slow without that, but that helps let the water out quicker, to drain it quicker. Yeah, so this does not come with a pump to inflate it. So, I mean, you could try using your lungs, but I think that would take quite a while. So you're probably going to want like an air mattress pump. I use a blower because it works really quickly, but a lot of different ways you can fill these up. But yeah, just make sure you have a pump or a way to fill it before you plan to use it. Only took about a minute to fill up with the blower. So yeah, it's I'd say about 8 feet long and 4 foot wide. The height of it is actually really nice with the 3 layers. So. So it's a great pool. Check it out.